Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody and respected sir. Today we are here to presenting a group presentation. First of all, I introduce myself and my group presentation members. My name is Haider Ali and group members are Anas Mustafa and Sohaib Salim. After that, we will going to our topic. Our topic of this presentation is cloud computing. First, introduction of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and cloud computing power without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. Large clouds, predominant today, often have function distributed over multiple locations from centered servers. If the connection to the user is relatively close, it may be designated an clouds may be limited to a single organization like enterprise cloud or be available to many organizations like public clouds. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and economies of scale. Cloud provider typically use a pay-as-you-go model which can lead to unexpected operating expenses if administrators are not familiarized with cloud pricing models. And again, introduction. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources of economies of scale. Typically, you only pay for cloud services you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. This offers several benefits over a single corporate data center, including reduced network latency for application and greater economies of scale. After introduction, we will discuss about history of cloud computing. In 1960s, the origin of cloud history is mainframe and terminals. After that, in 1970s, virtual machines are formed. Virtual machine allow you to run an operating system in an app window or your desktop that behave like a full separate computer. After virtual machine in 1990s, the web and software as a service is formed. The software as a service application is also known as web-based software and hosted software. In 2000, infrastructure as a service and modern clouds are formed. Infrastructure as a service is an instant computing infrastructure provisioned and managed over the internet. In 2000s, public clouds and private clouds and hybrid clouds are formed. After a gap of 20 years, in 2020, high availability clouds are used like Microsoft, Google, Facebook, etc. After history of cloud computing, we are going to uses of cloud computing. Cloud computer usage to create cloud native applications. Cloud can offer you the possibility of storing your files, backup and recover data, stream audio and video, deliver software on demand. One of the best scenarios for the use of cloud is our test and development applications. One of the aspects offered by leveraging cloud computing is the ability to use data analytics. After last is embed intelligence. Now let's present my group member, that is Anas Mustafa.
Okay, so cloud computing, future of cloud computing. Future of cloud computing has increased storage capacity, enhanced performance of internet. Modular software will be priority. IoT along with cloud computing. Data shows how future change, improvement in cloud services, security, modular software, and economics. Moving on to the next slide, we have cost of cloud computing. A very good premise-based server might cost around $10,000 to $50,000, whereas a cloud-based server might cost around 70,000 USD dollar to 1 lakh or more. The same is found for the firewalls, the switches, and all of the rest of the hardware that is used in a cloud environment. So, growth of cloud computing. The global cloud computing market size is expected to grow from USD 371.4 billion in 2020 to USD 832.1 billion by 2025 at a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 17.5% sorry, during the forecast period. Features of cloud computing. So at number one, resource pooling, on-demand self-service, easy maintenance, large network access availability, automatic system, economical security, pay-as-you-go, and managed services. So next slide will be presented by Sohaib Salim.
Now we will look at the benefits of cloud computing, some of which are flexibility, disaster recovery, automatic software update, pay-as-you-go feature, increased collaboration, document control, security, and location independency. Next, we will look at the drawbacks of cloud computing, which is risk of data confidentiality, depends on the internet connection, compliance, the level of security, vulnerable in the event of a cyber attack, data mobility, technical problem, and low connection. Next, we will talk about the relationship of cloud computing with freelancing. First of all, we will take a look at what is freelancing. Freelancing means to work as an independent company or an individual rather than be employed by someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often referred to as independent contractors. Freelancers are hired by other companies on a part-time or short-term basis, but they do not receive the same compensation as full-time employees or have the same level of commitment to any particular company. With the rise of the gig economy, people are talking about freelancing more than ever before. And that's because there are more freelancers today than there have ever been in the history. Relationship of cloud computing with freelancing. Cloud computing enables sharing resources by computers, reducing maintenance cost of a network. Since there are more and more clients looking for cloud computing professionals every day, you can create an account and start earning money on platforms such as freelancer.com, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. today. Thank you for your attention.